Welcome to Thrive 360, your go-to channel for exploring the timeless wisdom of health and wellness practices from around the world. Here, we uncover the secrets of ancient traditions and how they can enrich our modern lives. If you're passionate about living a vibrant, healthy lifestyle, you're in the right place. The story of turmeric begins over 4,000 years ago in the Indian subcontinent, where it became a cornerstone of the Sanatan Hindu civilization. Known as haldi in Sanskrit, turmeric wasn't just a spice. It was a sacred symbol of purity and protection. From its use in Vedic rituals to Ayurvedic medicine, turmeric was celebrated for its healing properties. Ancient texts describe it as a cure-all, capable of addressing ailments from inflammation to digestive issues. But India wasn't the only civilization to embrace turmeric. In China, it found a place in traditional medicine, while the Romans valued it as a dye and a remedy. Across cultures, turmeric symbolized vitality, prosperity, and health. Fast forward to today, and turmeric remains an integral part of Indian households. It's the secret ingredient in countless recipes, from flavorful curries to soothing golden milk. But beyond its culinary charm, turmeric's health benefits are backed by modern science. The magic lies in curcumin, the active compound in turmeric. Research shows that curcumin has powerful anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties. It's known to support joint health, boost immunity, and even enhance brain function. So, what practical health benefits can you gain by incorporating turmeric into your diet? Here are just a few ways this golden spice can transform your health and help you lead a natural, balanced life. Turmeric supports digestive health. Turmeric stimulates the production of bile, aiding digestion and preventing bloating and gas. Reduces inflammation. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help manage conditions like arthritis and other inflammatory diseases. Boosts immunity. Turmeric strengthens the immune system, helping your body fend off infections. Enhances skin health. Applied topically or consumed, turmeric can reduce acne, lighten scars, and promote a natural glow. Improves heart health. By reducing cholesterol levels and preventing blood clots, turmeric supports cardiovascular health. Aids brain function. Curcumin may help delay or even reverse cognitive decline by promoting brain health. Including turmeric in your daily routine is a simple yet impactful way to elevate your health. Incorporating turmeric into your daily routine is simple and rewarding. Add a pinch of turmeric to your morning smoothie, sprinkle it into soups, or enjoy a warm cup of golden milk before bedtime. You can also create turmeric-infused teas or use it as a seasoning for roasted vegetables and grains. These small changes can lead to significant improvements in your overall health. Whether it's a comforting turmeric latte or a hearty bowl of dal, this golden spice is a testament to the wisdom of our ancestors and their holistic approach to health. Turmeric is more than a spice. It's a bridge connecting ancient traditions with modern wellness. Embrace the golden spice in your life and let it guide you toward a healthier, more vibrant lifestyle. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the golden world of turmeric. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Thrive 360 for more enriching content. Together, let's thrive and embrace a healthier, more vibrant life. See you in the next video.